Hello there, this is Desiree Delhant, and this is my AEP 859 Module 1 video. Here's some personal information. I am married to Josh. He is a city firefighter here in Garden City, Kansas. He has been in the Army. He was 3 years active duty, and he is now Kansas Guard after he was Colorado Guard for many years. We have been married 10 years. We just had our anniversary on Christmas Eve. I have 2 sons. My top son there is Cooper, and he is 7 years old, and he's in 1st grade. And my little son over there with the sad face is Aiden, and he is 2. He will be 3 in May. I have 3 labs because we like to go hunting. I am a Colorado native. I was born and raised in the northeastern corner of the state in Holyoke. My husband was born and raised in the southern part of the state in Pueblo, and his parents were both Marines, so he actually got to travel a lot when he was young. And I really enjoy the summer because that means I get to spend time with my little kiddos at home. This is just kind of a picture collage of what we enjoy. Obviously, you can see that my life revolves mostly around my family. That is my favorite thing to do, is spend time with them. Here's some pictures from all of the favorite things that we like doing. My husband, in the bottom right corner, that's one of his Army banquets. We like to go hunting. You can see my son there holding a dove. We really enjoy sports. We like to go to football and baseball games, and we are from Colorado, so we are Rocky and Bronco fans. As for my professional life, I work at Charles O. Stone's Intermediate Center, and I started working there in August of 2014. So this is my 5th year teaching 5th grade math. And the second point there says I teach 5th grade math. I have been doing that the entire time I worked there. I teach 3 sections of math to 5th grade students a day. Our building has about 500 kids, and we are 5th and 6th grade only. I am the lead for my math PLC, and I have been doing that since my 2nd year at the building, and I am a mentor, and I have also been doing that since my 2nd year in the building, and I am on my 3rd new teacher mentor right now. I've been on the curriculum rewriting committee for my district, so I got to rewrite all of the assessments for the 5th grade math teachers in the entire district. I'm also part of our building culture committee, and we like to make sure that our building is a fun and welcoming place. And before that, I taught private kindergarten programs for 5 years, and I did that because we traveled so much. And that's actually where I started after I graduated with my bachelor's in 2007. As for some of my professional goals, my short-term goals include continue teaching. I love my job. I love my school. I love my students. I love teaching math, and I never thought I would because I actually did not do well at math when I was in school, but I really, really enjoy it. I think I want to continue being the lead for the PLCs. I enjoy doing that, and it's good leadership practice for me. And I do want to continue mentoring. That's important to me because I am not from here. I'm not from Garden City, and we get a lot of teachers that come here to get some experience. So it's important for me to share with them how much I love Garden City and how much I love the school district. And we actually have no plans to go back to Colorado because this has just been a really good fit for us. As for my long-term goals, I want to become an interventionist, either a math or literacy coach at some point. I think that would be really fun for me too, just because I've been doing math for so long here. And then eventually I want to become a principal of a small elementary school. I'm thinking like the school my son currently attends. It's called Jenny Wilson, and it is a little tiny school, and it only serves grades K through 4. And I just love his school. I love his building principal. She's one of the reasons I'm trying to become a principal. She's just the sweetest woman I've ever met. And then eventually my goal is to retire. This course, I'm hoping that I can learn something about the curriculum selection process. I think that's really important. We've been, this is our 5th year on the curriculum we're using now. So I'm assuming that eventually it's going to be changing, and probably sooner rather than later. I think it's important to figure out how they evaluate the curriculum and what thinking goes into choosing the curriculum that they are using. Obviously, we have to follow the standards, but what other things are they considering when they're looking at these curriculums? And then I also hope that I can learn something about how to find good supplements for our curriculum, and more engaging activities for the students. So that is what I'm hoping to learn, and I look forward to working with everyone in this class. Thank you.